It's only been 50 questions. Okay, 47. Solve the system of inequalities by graphing. So what must I start with here? My y-intercept, which is -4. You have to look at the answers. You have to look at the answers and then turn those in, type them in. Y is less than or equal to x minus 4. And y is less than -1/4 x minus 1. So my y-intercept is 0, -4, and my rise over run is the invisible 1 over 1 here. Over here, my y-intercept is 0, -1, because this is a -1, and my rise over run is -1/4 here. Okay, so I also need to know what type of line and where I shade. Here I shade below because it's got the less than, and then it's solid. Here I shade below again, and this is dotted because there is no equal to symbol over here. All right, let's get to graphing. Zero, -4. I forgot that quickly. Brain fart. Okay, 0, -4, and my slope is rise 1, run 1. There's my line. And my line should be solid. I'll wait for the shading at the end. This will be shaded below. And here, 0, -1. Go down 1, and then over 1, 2, 3, 4. Whoops. And then below here. The belows are easy because the below of the blue, oh, this should also be dotted. The below the blue is right here, and then below the green is also right here. But if you want me to shade with my pen, I can happily do so. So then we'll shade under the blue here. Come on, keep shading. Oh, it thinks that I'm trying to regraph. Is it -1? And then get a different color, and then shade below the green, which is here. So they overlap in this little section. Oh, come on. Did I go down 1 into the right 4? Yes. Okay, so the shading overlaps right here in this section where the red and the black cross. And then let's get rid of all that mess. Now it looks nice and clean. Save. 48. Brittany is an employee at Tech Trade, which is running a special on new phones. This month, in addition to her base pay, Brittany will earn an additional amount for each phone she sells. This situation can be modeled as a linear relationship. Her total pay, right now her base pay is $1,200, okay? And then as she sells more phones, her pay goes up. At 0 phones, she has $1,200, but after 10 phones, she gets an extra $400. So let's make that a table. Phones and pay. At 0 phones, she still gets paid $1,200 because she's still going to work. After 10 phones, she gets $1,600. So I need to go to Desmos and figure out what she gets per phone. 1,600 and 10 and 1,200 and no phones. $40 per phone. Y equals 40x plus 1,200. This is her base pay. And this is her extra pay per phone that she sells. So let's see. Brittany's base pay is $1,200. She will earn an additional $40 for each phone she sells. Done. 49, graph the line that has a slope of 0. Ooh, if you remember the drawing that Miss Starling gave you to keep in mind for a 0 slope, what kind of line is this? Not vertical, but horizontal. So you need 2 points side by side. Put a point here based off of what it gives us. It says -6, -4. So then over here, this point is going to be what? It's side by side. -6, -3. All right. 0, -6, -4. And then immediately right side by side, it makes that 0 slope. Save my answer. Use the following function rule to find f of -12. F of x is x minus 2. F of -12 is -14. But let me show you how to do it in Desmos. F of x is x minus 2. And then f of -12 is -14. You could also put this in the table with points and type -12 here, and it'll still give you -14 because these are coordinate pairs. -14. Safe. Best way to end the quiz. I've already done these in the previous videos. Good luck. Study, study, study.